Hello and welcome to beautiful Greece. Today we'll start in standing in the front part of our mats and we simply close our eyes, stand in Tadasana and focus on our breathing, letting the long deep breath come in and out. Last cycle of breaths here. With inhalation, arms up. Exhale, head goes to the right side and left arm goes away from the body. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, head to the left, right arm away from the body. Inhale, arms back up and breathe out, forward fold. Bend your knees slightly and grab your opposite elbows, sway from side to side to release the hamstrings, the spine, and even the neck. Make sure your head is loose. Stay here with long breaths. I remember this day I was super stiff, so every day we feel different, it's okay. Inhale, halfway lift, straight back. And palms on the floor, step to plank. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open the chest. Push the elbows towards the back of the mat. And with exhalation, downward facing dog. Pedal the feet. Slowly walk them out. Take your time to wake up your body, to stretch it out. And let's meet in the stable downward dog, sending your heels as low as possible, directing your tailbone to the sky. Lift up, right leg up and bend it in the knee, and we'll be doing circles, so slow circles in your hip joint. 2, 3 and 4. And now open the right hip and lead the right knee towards your forehead and step it between the palms. High lunge. Inhale, arms up. Let's stay here a few moments. Long back leg, straight and strong. Very good. Open to warrior 2. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Open the chest and now slowly fold over the right thigh and your arms are going towards the sky, like if you want to throw them over your head. Stay here and breathe. Inhale, back up. Pivot your back foot forward, palms on the floor, left knee on the floor, Anjaneyasana. Inhale, arms up. Let's stay here for a few breaths. Look up if you want to, and hold. Palms in front of your chest. Twist to the right. Breathe. Slowly back to the center. Arms go on the floor. Left knee lifts up. And we move to warrior 3. So right standing leg, activate both of your legs Now find your drishti. Palms go first in front of the chest. Hold, and once you found the balance, extend your arms in front of you. Hold, your core engaged. Stay focused. And now slowly land to chair pose. Arms up. Look up. And slowly transition to Tadasana, palms to chest. Very good. Inhale, arms up. Left hand grabs right wrist. And we bend to the left side, stretching the whole right side of the body. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, arms down. Inhale back up. This time we grab opposite wrist and bend to the right side, stretching the left side. Back to the center, arms go down, and we simply roll our shoulders, opening the chest. Nice and easy, but it feels so good. Now switch the direction. Alright, inhale, arms up. Exhale, again, forward fold. Grab your opposite elbows. And again, sway from side to side. Nice and easy. Relax. Inhale, halfway lift, straight back. Exhale, palms on the floor to plank. Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog. We pause here just to really feel the chest opening. Make sure you're mainly trying to bend in the upper back rather than the low back. And transition to downward dog. Again, you can walk out your feet. Now slowly get stable again. Sending both heels down. This time we grab with our right hand our left ankle and stay here, stretching nicely. And switch. Left palm grabbing right ankle. And back to the center. Left leg lifts up, bends in the knee, and we'll do circles again in the hip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now staying with the left hip open, up to the ceiling, up to the sky. Very good. Lead the knee towards your chest and step it between the palms. And transition to high lunge, arms up. Strong legs, belly drawing in, holding here. Now interlacing your fingers behind your back, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Right foot opens to warrior 2, and we bend in front of the left thigh. Maybe we can pass it if we are flexible enough. And holding here, sending the palms towards the sky and over the head. Breathing and holding. Very well. Slowly back up. Palms on the floor. Pivot your foot. Right knee goes on the floor. Lift to Anjaneyasana. Hips are nice and low. Arms up and look up if you want to. If you can hold the stability. And slowly palms in front of the chest. transitioning to rotation. So we rotate to the left this time. Right elbow hooks over the left knee. Breathing here. Chest goes back to the center. Palms on the floor. And slowly move your body to warrior three. Again, find some drishti, reference point. Your legs active, palms in front of your chest. Once you find stability, your arms go in front of your body, holding warrior three. Nice. Back to the chair pose. Arms up, look up. And move to Tadasana, palms to chest. We'll continue practicing our balance. So again, find your reference point. Now I want you to grab your right knee and rotate the ankle left and right. And those who have it in their practice, otherwise you can stay always here, grab your right toe and slowly with control straighten the right leg. Holding here. Slowly start opening the leg to the right. Nice and open hips. And slowly back to the center. Slowly leave the toes, but keep pressing the leg up. And now release. Now let's do it, of course, also on the other side. So we take our left knee, rotate our ankle, left and right. And again, grab your left toe with control. Straighten the leg. Start leading the leg all the way to the left side, opening the hips nicely, holding here, staying focused, and back to the front. Slowly let go, but the leg stays up. Squeeze, 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 and back to the floor. Very good job, everyone. Inhale, arms go back up. Exhale, forward fold. This time I want you to grab your shins from behind and feel the connection of your belly and your chest with your thighs. Inhale, straight back, and slowly step to plank. Knees on the floor, and let's move for a few moments to our child's pose. Breathing here, long deep breaths, taking the break. Now look forward, move your hips above your knees. Your knees are hip width distance, and just lead your arms in the front of your mat, opening your chest and trying to sink it as low as possible. You can simply rest your head on the forehead if you are seeking greater opening. Look forward and put your chin on the floor. And of course, here as anywhere else, breathe, focus on long, deep breaths. Great. Go forward, your elbows go on the floor, and we lie down on the belly. Right arm goes to cactus or L shape, and the left leg over the right behind. Very nice. And switch sides. Left arm 90 degrees, right knee over the left leg. Great shoulder opening. Now lead your palms next to your breast and slowly lift up to your upward facing dog. Once and for the last time today. Now lift your upper body, right leg moves to pigeon pose. Our final asana for today. Make sure your hips are square. Open the chest one more time. And now slowly fold forward. If you can, forehead all the way to the floor. Releasing the tension here. Slowly up, tuck your toe, and simply switch legs. Again, first open the chest. And once you're ready, folding down. Back up. And just swing your right leg next to your left to a seated position, half lotus or simple sukhasana. It's up to you. Straight spine. Breathe in, arms go up, catch the energy you need and pull it towards your chest, towards your body. I hope you enjoyed today's class and beautiful background here in Rhodos, Greece, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.